What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do an unboxing video. I have two decks from Nordic Skate Supply. I will have a link down below where you can get them. And it's called Lucky Deck. You don't know what motive you have on the deck when you order it, so I ordered two of them, so let's see what I got. Okay, let's unbox this package. Got two grips. It's a Crown Out board, so I have tried them before. Got some stickers too, so let's see what motive I got on them, what graphic I got. So okay, first board. Okay, that one is really nice, and this is the other one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Wow, sweet, really cool. This is it's a new motive, so they haven't used this one before. So that was the two boards I got. So one Crown Out and one other one. So the shape is a little bit different, but looks okay. Thanks to Nordic Skateboard Supply, and I will have a link down below where you can get them. See you guys later. Bye.